Welcome to Spain Unfiltered, your definitive playbook for real travelers. From bustling cities to quiet villages, authentic hacks and experiences await. It's the sound of a flamenco guitar in a Seville alley, the taste of the freshest tomato, drizzled with olive oil, sun on your face as you gaze out over the Mediterranean. From Gaudi's otherworldly Barcelona to the regal grandeur of Madrid's royal palace, Spain is a kaleidoscope of experiences waiting for you. There's brochure Spain, and the real Spain the locals love. It's in tiny bars where the owner remembers you after one visit, in whitewashed villages where time slows down, rugged green Asturias, not what you expected, hidden Balearic coves, just you and the sea, one day ancient Roman Merida, the next futuristic cocktails over Madrid, Basque Country, Galicia, Catalonia, distinct languages, cuisines, rhythms, one soul. This is the Spain we'll explore, connecting one delicious bite and one friendly hola at a time. Spain runs on its own time. Seriously. Lunch, la comida, is the main event. It happens late, 2 to 4, and siesta slows things down. Adapt, embrace merienda, coffee, a small sandwich, or churros with chocolate to bridge to dinner. Dinner starts around 9, later on weekends. At 7:30, we're only thinking about dinner, my friend Maria joked. Greetings are warm, a handshake works, you'll see dos besos, 2 cheek kisses, a sign of warmth, por favor, gracias. They go a very long way. Tipping's minimal. Round up or leave small change, 5-10% at nice places is generous, not required. Don't stress, enjoy the food and the flow. It's a whole new way to structure your day. Lean into it. Spain's rhythm is a beautiful dance. Learn the steps and you'll never go hungry. Cards are widely accepted, but cash is still king in neighborhood bars, small shops, and markets. Use official bank ATMs, avoid airport exchange kiosks. Always choose euros and decline dynamic currency conversion. Weekday lunch deal, starter, main, dessert or coffee, and a drink, often 10-15 euros. Many museums have free hours. Check online. Be mindful in crowds. Classic pickpocket zones, the stain scam, spill, distraction, lift. Step back, protect your bag. Friendly helper at machines. Politely say, no gracias, and move away. Don't leave phones on tables. Don't hang bags on chair backs. Crossbody in front, zippers in, backpacks on chest in crowds. Decline unsolicited gifts. Once you take it, they demand money. Incidents are rare. Stay aware in hotspots. Then relax and enjoy. It's not a fashion statement, it's peace of mind. Exactly. Confidence and simple habits keep trips stress-free. Between cities, trains are your best friend. High-speed AVE trains are fast, comfortable, punctual. Imagine Madrid to Barcelona in under 3 hours. Book online in advance. Cheaper than last minute. Metro in Madrid, Barcelona, Valencia. Efficient, clean, everywhere you need. Get multi-journey or tourist passes. Stop fumbling for change. Buses reach scenic routes and charming villages off the rails. Those coastal bus views, breathtaking. Rent a car for Andalusia's Pueblos Blancos, Picos, and Rioja. Freedom to stop anywhere. Avoid driving historic centers. Narrow, confusing. Parking is a nightmare. Pick up the car leaving the city, not entering. Cities are made for walking. Hidden plazas, artisans, tiny tapas bars appear on foot. Pack the comfiest shoes. Your feet uncover the magic. Put the map away, wander, and let Spain reveal itself turn by turn. Hydrate more than you think. Tap water's safe in cities. Midday sun is fierce. Embrace siesta hours. Long shady lunch, a cool museum, or a short rest beats heat exhaustion. Hat, sunscreen, shade. Your energy for nightlife will thank you. Farmacias are fantastic for minor issues. Advice without the doctor runaround. Summer is for beaches. Interiors can be hot. Winter's mild in Andalusia. Ski the Pyrenees. Spring and fall. Pleasant weather, smaller crowds, gorgeous landscapes. Skip big photo menu spots on main squares. If it's packed, standing room, floor a little messy, that's authentic. Practice the tapio. 1 or 2 signature tapas, una cana or wine, then move on. In Granada, a free tapa with each drink, so heaven. Visit mercados. Taste seasonal produce, grilled seafood, build a perfect picnic. Cheese, fresh bread, jamun, olives, 5-star meal in a park. Try regional icons, Galician octopus, Basque pinzos, true Valencian paella. Ask, what's the local specialty? You'll be rewarded with pride on a plate. I once dined bar to bar in Logroño, a mushroom symphony I'll never forget. Digital nomads, Spain is a fantastic remote office. Use co-working spaces, reliable internet, comfy desks, a community. Focus by day, step into paradise after. Embrace long lunches. Menu del Dia fuels creativity. Get a local SIM from major carriers. Easy, affordable data for maps, reviews, and calls. The real secret to Spain? It's you. Your attitude, curiosity, and openness. Ditch rigid plans, linger over coffee, get lost in old alleys, talk to strangers at the bar. I peeked into a birthday in Andalusia. They waved me in. Smiles and laughter said it all. Learn a few words. Hola, por favor, gracias, adios. People appreciate the effort. What did you discover? What was the best thing you ate? Share your stories and secret tips below. Like, comment, and subscribe to Go Globetrotters Travel. Until next time, happy travels.